Hi children, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Yes, today we will start our class. As usual, we will start with our daily routine. Every day I was telling you know what is the daily routine and how you should be keep yourself hygiene. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೈಜೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಜರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಲಿನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನದು ಡೈಲಿ ರೂಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ದಿನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ರೂಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಡೇ these are also so important to us. Correct? No, every day we need to brush our teeth, every day we need to take a bath. In a week we have to take thrice day a head bath. One day you have to take head bath, tomorrow night you have to apply the oil to your head, and next day you have to take a head bath. Don't leave the oil on the head for more than a night because itching will start, children. Okay, in once in a month you can take a oil bath. ಆಯಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತಲೆಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ತಲೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾಡಿಸೋರು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೂಢಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಅವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ದಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಯೋಗ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಯೋಗ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. One day I will teach you only the yoga classes only for you. That day I will show you what all the pictures will come in yoga. Okay, so many poses are there. You just try to learn all the poses. Okay, cobra poses are there. What frog poses are there? Snake poses are there. Bending your knees, bending your waist. So many poses are there which help you keep fit and fine. Okay, so do the yoga also. Okay, as usual today we will learn one thing about our what good habits. In that we will learn to make a drawing. To make drawing, how you, what is the meaning of drawing? Drawing andre enu? Vacant, I mean plain papers, colorful paints, maybe crayons, maybe color pencil, maybe sketch pen. So many are there. Okay, that makes your drawing colorful. ಯಾಕೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? See, drawing is also a category of a art ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟ್. ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. What it will help you? It will help you express yourself. It also increase your thinking knowledge. Okay, for example, if I tell you I draw a beautiful picture of a forest or I draw a beautiful picture of a park. Example, we will take it as a park. If I tell you draw a beautiful picture of a park, what you will think about it? Yes, you will go to your imaginary world ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. How will think? Oh, park means first there will be one entrance gate. It is surrounded with the water, all the fencing items. Then in the park you can find a path, walking track you can see. On the one side there will be a exercise point. Yes, no? Yes. On the other side there will be a sand pit with slides, all your ringers, all your playground. Okay, children's playground will be there in the park. Only that much is there in the park? No. So many trees, small plants, walking areas, the photo areas, so many will be there. You can sit and talk there, you can walk there, you can jog there. So many are there. In the playground you can see a sliding, what that hoopers and all you can see, no children? Yes, that is a playing area. Sand and all. First you will take that picture in your mind, then you start drawing. What and all colors you will use? Yes, as usual all the fences will be in a brown color or any dark green color. The trees as usual with a dark green color, brown color, stems and lot of flowers, different kinds of flowers. And that gym area is there, no? Usually they will do that gym area with a The playground, the sand will be the light brown, and all the equipments, that slides, seesaw, hoopers and all will be in multicolor, either in red or it will be in the blue color. As usual, the track, walking track will be in a black color, or the stone type they will keep it off. Okay. Then there will be in some park, there will be some small pond. There they will leave the ducks and all for the entertainment of the children only. Okay, that you can draw there. And as usual, where there is a lot of trees, you can find a lot of different kind of birds, children. Yes, no? This you will draw. So the drawing will help you the thinking capacity. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ನಾನು ಬರೀ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ದು ಏನು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಝೂ, ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೋ, ಝೂ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಓ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಝೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಕೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅದರದ್ದೇ ಅದು ಹೌಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ ಡೆನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಥರ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಥರ ನೀವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವಾಟರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ವಾಟರ್ ಬರ್ಡ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಎ ವಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? So the drawing is an art which improve your skill, thinking capacity, children. So please go through the drawing art also. Okay, no need to go and spend in the classes, and if you are so interested, you can join for a drawing class. Otherwise, so many activities are there in our mobile only. So many apps are there. You go and try. Click in a Google that a small drawing steps for the beginners. You will find so many types of strokes how you can use in your drawing skill. Yes, it also helps your writing skill also. Okay, children? Yes, shall we start our class today? Are you ready for your virtual online class? Yes? Okay. See, today we are going to learn the first language, that is English. Okay, in the English, what is the, we were learning about the blends. In the blends, we were learning GR, I mean R blends. Correct, no? We were learning R blends. Again I am telling you what is the blend. Blend or diagraph. What is the diagraph? What is the blends? Yes, both are same. Blends are nothing but a combination of two letters to make a new letter. For example, RL, RN, or BR, BL. Like that we'll take, no, it's a blending of two letters to make a new letter, or a combination of two phonic sound to give a new phonic sound. If I go to GR, G make a sound G, R make a sound R, G make a sound G, R make a sound R. If I add G and Ra, it will give a new phonic sound, that is Gr, Gr, like that. Okay, so the blending is nothing but the combination of two single letters or more than letters, but we are learning only diagram, in the sense only two letters. So the blending of two letters gives you a new letter. Okay, shall we start? Yes, GR. The blends of GR, already I taught you so many. Again I am teaching you the new words, that is green, grass, grapes, grape. Green, grass, grapes, grape. Okay. Next is PR. Next is PR. Okay. ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸು ಅಥವಾ ಪೂಜಿಸು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೂಜಿಸು. ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಟೆಹಾಡು, ಬೇಟೆಹಾಡು, ಬೇಟೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೇ. ಓಕೆ, both we will same the same phonics sound because a make a sound a, e make a sound a, so both you will hear the same words but the meaning is different. Pray means you have to pray, you pray the word in ದೇವರನ್ನ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ. Pray ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಟೆ. The lion was waiting for its prey. Okay, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಟೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So today I am going to do a sentences. The first sentence is GR. I take, here I have taken green, grass, grapes and grape. Green, grass, grapes and grape. Okay. I take the green grapes are too sour to eat. Okay, the green grapes are too sour to eat. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಹಸಿರು ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹುಳಿಯಿತ್ತು ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಸೋರ್ ಟು ಈಟ್. You can make your own sentence but first you think your imaginary sentence form in your mind. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮದರ್ ಟಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀರೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮದರ್ ಟಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್. ಓಕೆ, the green grapes are too sour to eat. Next I go to the next one, that is PR. Okay, what are the words I have taken here? Pray, proud, pray, pride. Pray, proud, pray, pride. Okay, the lion walks in a pride. Okay, the lion walks in a pride. Okay, pride ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಗಾಂಭೀರ್ಯದಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. The lion walks in a pride ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಗಾಂಭೀರ್ಯದಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he is the king of the jungle, no, that's why he always will be very pride. ನಾನೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, we will go to next one. Using both I am doing one. Okay, already taken green grapes, already taken. No, I take a grass and pray. Okay, grass and pray. The tiger was hiding in green grass for its prey. Okay, the tiger was hiding in green grass for its prey. ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಟೈಗರು ಒಂದು ಹುಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಲ್ಲಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆವುಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಟೆಗಾಗಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. ದ ಟೈಗರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೇ. ಪ್ರೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಿಸ್ PRAY is ಬೇಟೆ. ಓಕೆ, you understood now children? Yes, I am going to read some sentences what they are given in your Discover Phonic book. Okay, please open your Discover Phonic book. This is your homework. Okay. Discover phonic book, page number 13. Page number 13. What they given? The maid grabs the pail. She drops a few grains. The maid grabs the pail. She drops a few grains. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಳು ಕೆಲಸದವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಪೇಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಕೆಟ್ನ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಫ್ಯೂ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿತ್ತು. ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೇವ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಗೇವ್ ಎ ವೈಟ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೇವ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಗೇವ್ ಎ ವೈಟ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ವೈಟ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ನೋಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣಳಿಸಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೈಟ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ sentences what you have to read in your Discover Phonic book, book number 5. Yes, no? Next, the same thing, another one homework is there in your phonic activity book, page number 46. Okay, same thing they are given there. You have to write and practice. As usual, write your name, write the date. The same thing they are given. The maid grabs the pail. She drops a few grains. The man gave dad a big prize. Dad gave a wide green. Okay, this is what they are given in your phonic activity book. You have to write two times in that. Don't write one time. If the space is not there, you utilize the between lines there, but you have to write 2 times. Okay, this is your homework. With that, the another homework is, yesterday I taught you know the sight word of can. I can run, I can jump, I can read, I can run, I can eat, I can swim. So when I told you know, today the activity is you have to draw a picture for the following. And write sentence. I can dash. Andre you have to draw some pictures. Okay, I can run, I can draw, I can eat, I can swim. So many are there, like that you have to draw 5 pictures. Okay, draw 5 pictures, any 5 pictures. Okay, then you have to, what you have to do, you have to draw 5 pictures, then you have to write I can swim. If you want to write I can swim, what you have to do, you have to write the picture of a swimming, that boy, like you have to draw. Okay, don't forget what I am telling you. You have to draw 5 pictures. On the next side, in the sense, put one colon and you have to write I can read, I can write, I can swim, I can eat, I can run, like that you have to write any 5 pictures for the following and write the sentences. Okay, and write something here. You can use this or you can make your own thing. Write run, swim, jump, read, smile. Okay, I have written here. If you want, you can change the activity. I mean doing activity as your own thing. Okay, now we will move to our next thing, that is EVS. Okay, next is EVS. Yes, in the EVS we are going to learn helpers and their tools. Okay, what is that? Helpers and their tools. For example, I'll write some. I'll take only 5 one. Okay. Yes. What is? Which picture is this? Barber. Okay. What is his tool, children? Barbers. Yes, scissors. Yes, no. Without scissors, he can't cut or trim the what? The hairs. Correct? No. Yes. Next, who is this? Watchman. What is the tool for the watchman? Yes, either one chimney or a lathi. Lathi is a policeman's, watchman visual. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವಿಷಲ್ನ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಲ್. SHTV. Okay, next one. Who is this? Sweeper. Sweeper the tools ಏನು? Broom. ಅಥವಾ sweeping broom, anything, mopping, anything. Okay, like that. Another one I'll show you. Who is he? He is a painter. What is the tool for the painter? Yes, brush. Painting brush. These are the tools. Okay, tools, and these are the helpers. Barber they know scissors, watchman do visual, sweeper do broom, painter do brush. Like this we can learn the community helpers. What are the important things they required? Okay, tomorrow we will learn so many things. For today's I have taken only 4: barber, watchman, sweeper, and a painter. Okay, you go through this and you learn at home. Okay, the homework is EVS workbook, page number 629. What they will given? Cut and stick the items that each community helper uses. See, the doctor they only given what they given there? Stethoscope. Okay, for the chef you have to find out. For the florist they are given one flower. For the painter they are given the brush. Teacher, chalk pieces. Hairstylist they are given the comb. And musician you have to search there. Farmer, tractor, and the fireman they are given one fire exhausting equipment. Okay, this is the thing what you have to do in a EVS workbook. You need to cut the picture and stick it properly in the places required. Yes, we will move to next thing, that is our maths. Yesterday what we learned? Yes, big, bigger, biggest ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು. ಬಿಗ್, ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್, ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್. ಬಿಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಬಿಗ್, ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್, ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್. The opposite of big what? What is the opposite of big? You all learnt in LKG, no? What is the opposite of big? Yes, the opposite of big is small. Okay, I'll take one example for the big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, for your example. Okay, big, bigger, okay, biggest, big, bigger, biggest. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದನ್ನ big, bigger, biggest. What is the opposite for this? What is the opposite for this? Small, smaller, smallest. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಓಕೆ, okay, I am taking the small tree, the smaller tree. Yes, small tree, smaller tree, and still smaller tree. Okay, this is small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. I will show you the same thing in a example. Okay, see, I keep in this big, bigger, biggest. This is the biggest, and this is the bigger, and this is a bigger, biggest. For the small opposite for this, we have to keep, see, small, smaller, and the smallest. Okay, can you see? This is the small, smaller, smallest. This is the opposite for the bigger is the smallest. I hope you understand the concept for this. Yes, yes. I will draw another one example with the apple. Okay, small, smallest. Can you identify? This is small, smaller, smallest. And show you the same thing in the here. See, small, smaller, smallest. You ignore this one. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay. This is the opposite of the big, bigger, biggest. This is called a concept of small, smaller, smallest. Okay, children. Yes, the homework is in your 4 lines, block book, square book. Show 5 example for small, smaller, and the smallest. Okay, you have to show 5 examples. For example, you can take any pictures. You can take a picture of a tree, fruit, rat, bat, mat, anything you can take, and you have to show me 5 examples for small, smaller, smallest. You have to do the homework with them, this one. And another homework in the EVS, the page number 29, you have to cut and paste the tools for the particular helper. And the phonic activity book, you have to complete the sentences in that. That's all for today. Very less homework I am giving to you. You need to read it. Okay? Take care. Bye.